Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check in for a flight with Delta Airlines. If you have an upcoming flight, this will be very helpful. You can only check in 24 hours before your departure time, so keep that in mind. Usually, Delta will send you an email, a text message, or app notification letting you know it's time to check in. In the email, you'll see your confirmation number and a button that says check in. You can click that and it will take you straight to delta.com. If you don't have email, just go to delta.com yourself, click on check in at the top right, and enter your confirmation number and the airport you're flying from. So once your trip shows up, select the passengers who are checking in. After that, you need to enter your passport details. If it's an international flight, make sure everything is correct, including your seat, baggage allowance, flight times, and any layovers. Next, you can add your phone number to receive updates about delays, cancellations, or schedule changes. This is important so you stay informed after or before your flight. After reviewing everything, click Submit, agree to the hazardous materials policy, and complete check-in. You'll then be able to print your boarding pass, download it, or add it to your Apple Wallet using the QR code. That's it. You are officially checked in, and thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.